Indian and Chinese security forces scuffled along the disputed border between the two Asian giants, injuring soldiers on both sides, Indian officials said Sunday. Sikkim is a state in northeastern India. It borders Tibet in the north and northeast, Bhutan in the east, Nepal in the west, and West Bengal in the south. Sikkim is also located close to India's Siliguri corridor near Bangladesh. Sikkim is the least populous and second smallest among the Indian states. A part of the Eastern Himalaya, Sikkim is notable for its biodiversity, including alpine and subtropical climates, as well as being a host to Kanchenjunga, the highest peak in India and third highest on Earth. Sikkim's capital and largest city is Gangtok. Almost 35% of the state is covered by the Kangchenjunga National Park. The two countries have competing claims over their shared 3,400 kilometers (2,100-mile) border. The latest tense face-off took place near the Naku sector in Sikkim, more than 5,000 meters (16,400 feet) above sea level in the Himalayas. China and India fought a war over the border in 1962. In 2017, the two countries also clashed in the region after China tried to extend a border road through a disputed plateau. Though both countries send out patrols that often engage in physical standoffs, no bullet has been fired over the border in the last 4 decades. Officials says dozens of Indian and Chinese soldiers have exchanged physical blows in a clash on the shared border, Indian media report. 7 Chinese and 4 Indian troops were injured, an army official reportedly said, near the Naku sector in the border state of Sikkim. Local commanders spoke and resolved the dispute, which took place on Saturday. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos update.